The resident electoral commissioner for Osun was billed to appear before the panel in line with the subpoena issued on him to produce Form C-5001 of Adeleke, which contained his credentials used for the 2018 governorship election. At the resumed hearing, the representative of REC, Sheikh Mohammed, the Deputy Director, Election and Party Monitoring, was asked to produce the document requested for. Mohammed told the tribunal that the state office of the commission was not in custody of the document, saying the copies given to it had been discarded shortly after the 2018 election. He said the documents were submitted to the national headquarters through the National Secretariat of the PDP and were only given photocopies by Inec National Headquarters for display. Counsel to OYETOLA Chief Akin Olujimi SAN subsequently argued that the attitude of the REC was mainly not to obey the tribunal order issued on REC to produce the document. He said even if the state office of the commission did not have the requested documents, REC has a duty to obtain the said document at the national headquarters, and he has not said that the national headquarters cannot find the document. Responding to the argument, counsel for Inec, Professor Paul Ananaba said, REC is different from Inec, so the subpoena has been complied with because the representative of REC is here to tell the court he is not in custody of the said document. He argued that the tribunal does not have the power to make another order, in the same line claiming that the first order had been complied with. Counsel to Adeleke Onyechi Ikpeazu SAN in his own objection argued that based on the fact that the petitioners already have the CTC at their disposal, they should be compelled to continue with the calling of the witnesses whose testimony hanged on the document requested from Inec. Olujimi, while replying, said the respondent counsel lost track in the course of the argument, saying there was an order of the court through the subpoena which have not been complied with. The tribunal then adjourned ruling on the argument of counsel on the failure of Inec to produce the said documents till Friday, 25th November.
The subpoena that we served on the resident electoral commissioner, they failed to produce the document, and the proper thing for us to do was to apply for the committal to prison of the resident electoral commissioner, but we wanted to give him a second chance by asking the court to direct him all over again to produce that document at the next date of adjournment in this matter.
These are all the days of the petitioners. We've gone close to 110 days out of 180 days of the petition. They have only called 2 witnesses for a governorship election petition. So it's their case. At our own time, we'll try and do what is right.
Meanwhile, one of the petitioner's witnesses, Evangelist RAZAK at ADEOSUN, while giving evidence before the panel, told the tribunal that Adeleke did not attend any university, hence he could not have obtained any certificate. He insisted that Adeleke does not have any certificate, just as he told the panel that there was overvoting, as the total number of votes cast is more than the accredited voters on BVAS reports. ADEOSUN served as the state coalition agent for the APC. In Osogbo, Joshua Gujde, NT News.